I wanted to share with you something pretty cool here. So we've recently launched a brand new product on Amazon as kind of a case study, and I want to show you some recent results here because a lot of people always wonder, you may or may not be super familiar with this opportunity of selling on Amazon right now. But one of the things people always wonder is like, is there too much competition? And I totally get it. If you're from the outside, you don't really know the space. But the thing is, with everything that's happened this year in 2020, there's actually been a massive increase in demand on Amazon, which is why they had to slow down shipments and everything else. And the number of sellers has not caught up. So there's actually more opportunity now than almost ever before. And that's why we're so excited about this opportunity. But to really prove this out to you, we wanted to launch a product on Amazon now, a brand new product that only has a couple reviews. And I want to show you that how quickly we were able to produce sales. So I've got it over here on my computer, and I'm going to show you inside the actual live Amazon Seller Central account. So this product is one similar to this one right here. It's a metal taco holder. Literally, if you want to set it on your desk, you made some tacos and it helps keep them upright so you can put stuff inside of them. So it's a metal taco holder. And over here inside of Amazon Seller Central, as you can see, we launched this thing on about May 25th, 2020. So not very long ago, about 10 days ago or so, May 25th, 2020. And we were able to ramp up sales very quickly. Remember, this product only has a couple reviews. So this is a product very similar to the ones that we're going to show you how to launch on the live training. We're going to show you how to find these kind of products. We're going to show you how to market these kind of products so that you can go out there and build your own brand of products similar to this one. And so as you can see, as we kind of ramped up here, selling about 18 units a day, 24 units a day, 23, 22, 31. And right now we actually have this product at a launch pricing, which means it's selling a little bit lower than what we plan to sell it for later. And we'll explain all that on the live training. But I do want to show you something pretty cool. So right here, on the most recent day I have here on June 2nd, this product sold about $400. Now, if you extrapolate that out for a product that we just launched, selling $400 a day gives us about $150,000 a year. $150,000 a year in sales. And with this product, with its profit margin, because after we take out all of Amazon's fees, we take out the product cost, the shipping cost, everything, this product has about a 33% profit margin after everything. That means money you could put in your pocket. This product is already about a $50,000 a year product in profit. You could be putting $50,000 a year in profit in your pocket if you chose to from this product that we just launched a few days ago. That's the power of this business, and we're going to show you how to do all this stuff on the live training. Another thing I want to show you real quickly is that I've gone over here to Amazon and I've pulled up this little tool that we have access to, and we'll show you how to get all that on the live training. And just to show you the sales potential, because we chose this product because it's small and lightweight. There's low level of competition. It's got a decent amount of sales volume because you can see here, this is all the revenue per month from all these different products selling here. So one thing that's super important is that you don't want to sell a product that maybe only one can do well. And so you want to sell a product that there's tons of products that are selling well, so you don't have to be the best one in the market to go out there and make money and make consistent profit every single month from your own business. So this product sells $33,000 a month, $20,000 a month, $20,000 a month, $12,000 a month, $15,000 a month, and so on, another $33,000 a month. And you can see that there's lots of products here that are selling pretty well every single month that could be making you an extra few grand a month in profit, or potentially an extra $50,000 a year or more in profit from one single product. But that's just where you're getting started, because later on you start adding more products to the brand and your profit starts growing and growing and growing. So this business works extremely well. Right now, we're going to show you how to do all of this on the live training. So one other thing that I want to show you real quickly is that this product, this is inside the advertising area of Amazon Seller Central, which once again, we're going to show you on the live training how all this works. We've only spent about $250 on ads, but we've made about $1,400 in sales. The way Amazon's advertising platform works is you can literally pay money from day one with a brand new product with only a handful of reviews just like this one, and you can be featured for just about any keyword you want on Amazon. You can immediately be featured at the top. And so if you do that, you'll start ranking higher and higher for other keywords on Amazon, and that's how you start producing sales that last for a long, long time. So spent about $250 on ads, made about $1,400 in sales. That's only about 18% of sales that we spent on ads. Super powerful. We're going to show you how to do all of that on the live training. Now, in the next bonus video that's going to be coming up soon, before the live training, I'm going to show you exactly how we chose the right kind of keywords to target, because that's one of the biggest changes to this business we've seen is targeting the right keywords. We used to focus so much on the actual product, but now what matters even more is what people are searching for. Because Amazon's recently released a database of hundreds of thousands of different keywords that they're literally telling you what people are searching for, who's converting for what. We've mined all that and have figured out how Amazon works in terms of figuring the best keywords to target on Amazon, and that's how you as a brand new person can go out there and absolutely start crushing it. So I'll see you in the live training, and I'll see you in the next bonus video.
The time and care they've put into this is really amazing. I'm so happy that I got connected up with these guys, and I live my own life. I'm my own boss. I can do what I want when I want. I have 2 little kids, which is really why I did this. I used to be a hotel director in Paris, and I had to make a choice when I got my kids, career or family, and I chose family. So then getting into ASM, I no longer had to choose between family and career, because it's like, hey, that's the opportunity. Like, that's what's gonna, like, I can do both, and I'm no longer time restricted, or where am I gonna, I'm not gonna see my kids today and whatever. I'm doing it from home. I do it whenever I want. The way it's laid out, the course, like, anybody can do this, because it's in such detail, and it's really made for people that don't, like when I started, I didn't know anything about this business, and I just followed the video step by step and take the action step, do the action step, do the next thing, do the next thing, and it did it. It works. Like, there's no question. People ask me, does it really work? Or, what do you think? Is it worth it? It's like, without a doubt.
I had just gotten married, probably maybe 6 months into our marriage, and my sister had a crisis where she could no longer raise her children. And instead of letting her children go to foster care, we decided that we would take care of her children and raise them for her. And it was then that I had to actually drop out of college and move to where the kids were in Missouri. And at that point, I had nothing but a dead-end job and no way to take care of them. So I was really desperate to find something that I could do to help raise this new family of mine. So I happened upon an email that I would have normally, I think, just deleted or unsubscribed right away, but I had a feeling that I should at least check it out, and it was about Amazon, selling on Amazon. I thought I'd never do that. And over that weekend, I couldn't get it out of my mind. So that's when I decided, hey, I'm just gonna go for this. And my wife was on board. She was very supportive. Do it, don't look back. I mean, it was the best thing I could have done for my life and my family, and I don't regret it one bit. There have definitely been some tough times and some scary times. I went into debt to purchase ASM, and I had family telling me this is a scam, you're not gonna make it, but it was worth it. I knew what I wanted, and I knew that this was gonna help me.
Hi, my name is Tatiana Beret. I'm from Canada, from Vancouver. I started ASM about 2.5 years ago. I think it was ASM 4, and that's when I began my journey with the Amazing Selling Machine. So I was really reluctant to start any kind of online business or any kind of entrepreneurial adventure, because for me, I didn't have any tech skills, believe it or not, and I didn't have a computer, and I just didn't think it was something that I would feel comfortable with. But what pushed me really was just, I was dating someone, my boyfriend now, he had an online business and I didn't, and he was able to travel and have the freedom to do the things that he wanted to do. And I was really held back because I was full-time in school, part-time working, and I just didn't have any time for anyone or to do anything. And so I really thought, okay, you know what, maybe I got to give this a shot. I got to find something where I can make money online so that I can have that freedom. But it wasn't until I discovered ASM and we went through the course together that I really felt like this resonated with me, and I felt like I can do this and I can build a product that I really feel comfortable with sharing with my friends and family. And that's how it all started, just with that feeling of, yes, this is something that could work for me. I actually have a lot of people that ask me about this course, and a lot of people are hesitant more so because it is an investment. It's not, a couple $100s, right? But this is an investment that truly is you're going to get your money back. There's no doubts about that. If you put in the work and you followed the process and all the modules, like Matt and Jason really go out of their way to make sure that this course is updated. So it's not like 6 months ago, this is old content. It's all really relevant right now. So if you're going through it and you're making sure you follow everything, you will get the results that you need. And the investment is so minimal compared to the payoff that you'll get in the future. For me, I can't even imagine not have gone through this course, because now, I was able to quit the job that I did not enjoy doing. I didn't finish school because I don't have to now, and it's just, my business is just flourishing because I started with ASM, and I'm so glad that I took that investment. And as a student, I'm 23 years old. I started when I was 20 years old, so I really didn't have the money, but I came up with the money, and I'm so glad that I did that, because I know a lot of people are held back by the money, and I think that realizing that this is an investment for your future. It's kind of like an education. It's like you can put it towards school and a degree, or you can put it towards this. It's a little bit similar in my eyes.
That I was considering was that, hey, I've got a full-time job. I've got kids. And, when you have kids, you got to come home, and work doesn't end once you get home from your job. Of course, the second job starts, and that's, being a parent. One of the things that I did, I was like, listen, I'm just going to go ahead and follow every step that these guys have laid out. And really, it was a lot of trust. Only thing I knew is that Amazon was a big opportunity, and that I knew that a lot of sellers don't know how to work Amazon. And I knew these guys did. The way it's laid out, it's week 1, it's week 2, it's week 3, it's week 4. Just follow along. We've come to a point now in the last 2.5 years of surpassing 6 figures a month consistently.
One of the most fulfilling things is we get to have fun, we get to be with each other, to do the things that we've talked about. You always wish that you had time to, if I have time, we'll do this. Yeah. And we can actually do those things.
It's still fresh and new for us. So many times throughout the day, it's like we kind of get, we get the giggles a little bit.
I know, we do.
Of like, hey, this is actually happening.
One of the things I love is that we're home every time our 10-year-old comes home from the bus. He's actually mentioned that he likes us.
In one of the biggest societal changes in history, big change equals big opportunity. Today you have the opportunity to become financially free for life and never have to work for someone else again. When we first rang in 2020, most people were still driving to work. Families were strolling through malls, people were hanging out in person. But after COVID-19 hit, the whole world went into lockdown. 1 in 4 Americans were sent to work from home. All non-essential businesses closed, and nearly 40 million people claimed unemployment. Businesses built for the old world can no longer thrive in this new world. The world is wide open for brand new businesses built by first-time business owners. If you're looking for a new way to build wealth and earn an income from home, now's the perfect time to start an online business. The move to online shopping accelerated rapidly this spring, faster than anyone could have predicted. This year, an estimated $4.2 trillion will be spent in online retail. To put it in perspective, that's a whopping 54.8% increase in the e-commerce market share in just a matter of 3 years. We're going to show you how to take advantage of the single greatest wealth transfer in the last 20 years. Join us live for a free training to learn how to build a business as quickly as possible that you can run from home. During this free training, you're going to learn why the changes that have happened this year have created the single biggest opportunity to build wealth we've ever seen, how you can take advantage of what's happened to create a source of income that you control and can build from home, the simple 5 steps to start, grow, and scale your own brand that's 100% yours online starting today, which platform is the easiest, fastest, and cheapest to start selling on if you want to build real wealth now, how to use verifiable data based on what people are searching for to find the perfect product to sell nobody's looking at with almost zero competition, how to use an old trick from retail that's been around for 100 years to get millions of people to easily find your products and beat out big brands at a game they don't even know exists. We want to help as many people as possible take advantage of this opportunity, so we're hosting this training several times. Reserve your seat on the date and time that works best for you and learn how to build a business you can run from home.